Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to teach you how to make a vegan adobo. Now for the ingredients, we'll be needing soy sauce, vinegar, black peppercorns, onions, garlic, and soya chunks. And for the first step, you need to boil the soya chunks until the water dries out. And if you don't want to use soya chunks, you may use extra firm tofu as your main meat. Once the water dries out, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, throw in your onion and garlic, and fry it up for about 2 minutes. Now let's add the soy sauce and vinegar into our soya chunks. Pour about 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of vinegar, and a dash of water. Let it come into a boil and then add the black peppercorns and then let it simmer for a few minutes. Your vegan adobo should be ready, but you might want to give it a taste first to see if you need to adjust some of its seasonings. Once you're satisfied with the taste, go ahead and serve it and enjoy with the rest of the family. This is best served with rice, and check out our video for how to cook rice the Asian way. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click on like and subscribe for more vegan Asian cooking.